Hi guys, today we're playing Knockout in Roblox and we're trying to get one win. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah. Let's try going in the middle like this. Okay. Ooh, okay. Let's try to push him up. Okay. Nice. Okay. Um He's gonna full send me. Oh, wait. Nah. I'm cooked. Let's go. Okay, that was good. That was good. Nee. Let's go like maybe like this. Let's go. Let's find out. Will I will I survive, please? Okay. Easy. Now let's block him right like this. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. Oh, let's go. Okay. Let's full send him. Full send. Please. Please. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Because I already win the first match, let's do another one. And yeah, let's do another one. Ooh, okay. That's really good. Let's full send him. Full send him. I'm going full, full in. Let's go. Please. Oh my god. Okay. Let's push. Yeah, we're winning this, chat. We're winning this. Please. Oh, nah, my own teammates. Nah, that's messed up. But we win though. We win. We win. So, okay. Let's see. Team. Okay. That's okay. That's not my favorite, but it's okay, I guess. Yeah, I'm going full in him. Full in. Yeah, bro's cooked. Oh, wait, what? Nah. Wait, is it 2v1? It's uh 3v2. Ooh, now it's 1v2. Yeah, he's cooked. Chat, he's cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked. Oh no. Why, bro? Why? Oh my god. Okay. Ooh. Okay. um, if I win next round, if I win, then I'm gonna give $5 to Estonian Paul. Who don't know, Estonian Paul is my friend. I did videos with him a lot. Uh, and yeah, go check on these ones too, if you haven't seen them yet. And yeah. Oh, okay. Um, the thing that I said that if I win, I will give $5 to Estonian Ball. Let's do another round, the same thing. Okay, free for all, please. Free for all, please. I don't want teams, please. Free for all. Let's go! Classic. Okay. Full send here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, okay. That's okay, that's okay. Ah, he was so close. Full send here, full send here. And someone is cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked, chat. I'm cooked, I'm cooked. How I'm not cooked, bro? How? That was so close. That was low-key so close. Yeah, I'm cooked. Bro tried to full send me. Nah, that's messed up. Let's go like this. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, now full send, full send, full send, full send. Full send, please, please. Nah, I'm cooked. Oh, wait! Let's go! Oh, wait, no! No! Now I have to give $5 to Estonia Ball. Oh, fuck. Holy frick. Okay. No. Okay, okay, sorry guys. Now, where we are. I need to do, hey, wait. I'm gonna do this match and then I'm gonna end the video. So, the last game. Okay, let's see. Can I win? No, I can't. Okay. If you guys liked the video, then press like and subscribe and see you next video. Bye.